Now these are some English budgies. They just had babies. I'm about to place them into a resting cage, which is really big, a flight cage. It allows them to relax and move around more. He is a green-gray, and she is an Opaline female. So because Opaline is a sex-linked mutation, no babies can come out visually Opaline unless the male were to be split Opaline. I'm not sure if that's the case here, but you know, I don't know if he split Opaline. I don't think so because no babies came out Opaline. And females can only be visually Opaline. They cannot be split Opaline because it's a sex-linked mutation. If you wanted it to obtain all Opalines, it's ideal to breed Opaline with Opaline. But other than that, you probably won't get Opalines, or you can if the males split, but obviously the probabilities are a lot less. They're just stressed out because I'm here. They don't want me nearby. They just finished having babies, so they're a little bit stressed. You see the head of that female? That's why she's considered Opaline. It doesn't have any bars. Unlike the male, he has bars.